UCLE contained 2,000 square metres of diamond polished concrete. The design brief was to use local materials, in this case Thames Gravel, and the palest concrete matrix, where we used a high GGBS content to blend with the precast concrete walls. On levels 2 and level 4, there were almost 2,000 square metres of micro finishes applied in a Lazenby colour cool grey. To complement the diamond polished concrete, Lazenby used the same aggregate and precast stair treads for various staircases in the building. The project demonstrates Lazenby's versatility. We were able to install 125mm structural floor for the load-bearing capacity on the ground floor. On the upper levels, we were able to use a polished concrete just at a 3mm thickness. At UCLE, we work very closely with Mace and Stanton Williams architects to deliver an award-winning project.